Water is vital for life on Earth, covering about 71% of the planet's surface and providing habitat for countless organisms. It isn't just a home for aquatic life. Water is crucial for air quality, weather patterns, and even regulating the climate. For plants, water is essential for photosynthesis, which transforms sunlight into energy, enabling growth and oxygen production. Humans also depend on freshwater sources for drinking, sanitation, and agriculture, demonstrating water's versatility in our lives. Without clean water, many ecosystems would collapse, leading to dire consequences for all living beings, including humans. Water acts as a solvent, allowing vital nutrients to be absorbed and transported within organisms, essential for survival. Moreover, water helps in digestion for animals and humans, breaking down food for better nutrient absorption. Notably, water is also vital for industry, where it's used in everything from manufacturing to power generation. Finally, the cycle of water, from evaporation to precipitation, plays a pivotal role in environmental balance. In summary, water is essential for life as we know it. It shapes ecosystems, sustains health, and fuels our planet. Have you ever wondered what acids really are? Acids are substances that can donate protons or electrons, and they play a key role in our environment. There are many types of acids. Some common ones include hydrochloric acid in our stomach and sulfuric acid, which can be found in batteries. Acids can be strong or weak. Strong acids like battery acid can eat through metals, whereas weak acids like acetic acid and vinegar are much milder. In nature, acids can influence soil chemistry, water quality, and the health of plants and animals in delicate ecosystems. Acid rain is a result of pollution. It occurs when sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides mix with water vapor in the atmosphere and fall as acidic precipitation. Acidic waters can harm fish by reducing oxygen levels and altering their habitats. This can lead to significant changes in biodiversity. Some plants are more tolerant of acidic conditions than others. For instance, certain ferns thrive in these environments, while many flowers struggle. Acids also participate in essential geological processes, like weathering rocks, contributing to soil formation and affecting landscape evolution. Understanding acids allows us to appreciate the complexity of chemical interactions in our environment, leading to healthier ecosystems. So, what happens if all of Earth's water turns to acid? Stay tuned to discover the alarming implications for life on our planet. Imagine waking up to a world where all the water has turned to acid. What changes will we see instantly in nature and our daily lives? The immediate effects would devastate ecosystems, starting with aquatic life. Fish, frogs, and tiny organisms would struggle to survive in acidic waters. Acidic water would also harm plant life. Trees, grasses, and flowers would wilt and retreat, leaving landscapes barren. As animals seek refuge, they'll have to adapt quickly. Birds might fly away seeking safer land, while mammals will alter their habitats. Human life would not be spared. Drinking water sources would become toxic, leading to immediate health crises as people react in fear and confusion. Emergency services would be overwhelmed. Hospitals would fill with patients suffering from acid burns and related injuries, creating chaos. Infrastructure would also be at risk. Buildings and roads made from concrete would start crumbling, leading to potential hazards. Communities would be forced to evacuate, leading to large groups of people moving, carrying their possessions while looking back at their homes in despair. Attempts to mitigate the situation would lead to frantic efforts to neutralize the acid, but success wouldn't come easy. Hope would seem like a distant dream. In the midst of chaos, society would need to adapt. New solutions would emerge, spurring innovative ideas about living in a profoundly altered world. Imagine a planet where rivers and oceans are acid, disrupting every ecosystem. The balance of life hangs by a thread as species struggle to survive. Marine life would face destruction, with coral reefs dying off. This loss of biodiversity would ripple through the food chain, affecting all life forms. Plant life would also suffer, as acidic water erodes their roots. Forests and fields could transform into barren landscapes, devoid of lush greenery. If acid rain persisted, plants would struggle to grow. Agriculture would collapse, leading to food shortages and widespread hunger among humans. Acidic water could even seep into freshwater sources, poisoning drinking supplies. Clean water could become a luxury, critical for human survival. If Earth's climate continued to shift, acidification could create extreme environments. Adaptation would be necessary for survival, forcing evolution on all species. Human health could decline due to contaminated water sources. Long-term exposure may lead to serious health issues, putting communities at risk. As species vanish, our world's beauty and diversity would diminish. The loss would feel like watching a masterpiece fade over time, steeping us in sorrow. Despite the bleak outlook, hope exists. Humans have the power to change course, addressing pollution and working towards a sustainable future for Earth.